Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 43 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something with wheels. I've got these cars, splashes or splotches. This pothole will cause splashes and splotches, and I'll probably do some splatters at the end, so I think that'll have that covered. A piece of jewelry, I've got this bracelet. Any vegetable, I've got Brussels sprouts. And ledger paper, I've got this. And the bonus is stamping in non-black ink, and I've got this chipped sapphire. So let's get started. I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. I'm just going to tear this down because kind of see what I'm going to do with it. I'm not even sure. But my Brussels sprouts will go on that side. I never have been a fan of Brussels sprouts. My mama forced me to eat them one time. And the only way I could get them down was with ketchup. She never made me eat them again. Now, I do love broccoli. Unfortunately, no one else in my family cares that much for it. My oldest son, will eat my broccoli casserole. It's got rice and cheese and all that good stuff, but not my husband or my youngest son. I can eat it raw. I can eat it cooked. I like it. Okay. Let's see how I'm going to lay this out. Most of these I just pulled out of a magazine. And I think I'll make a pocket out of that one so I can put my prompts in it. And I think I'm going to do that while I'm thinking about it so I don't go ahead and glue the whole thing down like I usually do. Oops. There we go. And I can stick those down in there. Alright, I like that. And it will help cover up so much of the blue. Y'all, we've only got 2 more shows of Haven to watch. And I am not liking it right now. I don't like what they're doing to poor Duke. So I hope it will get better. I guess I'll find out this afternoon because my husband and I'll probably finish it up this afternoon. I don't know if till my son gets home and football, who knows? It may not be until Monday. That will be sad. I don't know if I can wait that long. Alright. So, my bracelet. So I'll have everything but my stamping. And I've got that, so let me go ahead and get this down. This one's going to be easy. I'm about halfway through my Barbara Michaels book, and I still don't know what's going on there. It is holding my interest. Alright. Make sure I got it up right side. Okay. And I'm just going to stamp this at the bottom, and then all we have to do is figure out how we're going to embellish. Let's see how I want to do this. Hopefully I can. I didn't get my F. Well, it's a dark blue, a sapphire. So I guess that's what I'm going to have to do. Find joy in the ordinary. Probably should have stamped it on paper since it was going around a curve, but I wanted it on the background. Alright, so we've got that. So now how would I like to embellish? I think I'm gonna just use some washi stickers. I hadn't used those in a while. Like that. My son's still trying to get a truck. They sold that one that he was looking at before. He's found another one. The first one I thought came from Florida, but it was coming from Texas. This one he's looking at is supposed to come from Florida. He's gotten with the bank and everything. And it's just a matter of getting everything done. He's going to have to get someone to ship it. All that stuff is scary. I miss the days where you just able to go to your dealership and buy. Although some of our dealerships in Mississippi, I tell you what, they are greedy. Let's see, I can't get the sticker off. Sometimes these are so hard. I do want to cut that down. I love the stickers, but I don't like the how wide the edge is because it's shiny. So I'm just going to cut that down just a little. And see if I can get this off. It's sticking to me. Except the sticker. Okay. Still shiny, but it's alright. I can live with it. Down in there. Something like that. anything else. I'm happy with that. Got my 3 flowers. I know I got a 4 sticker, but I don't think that matters. So, now, all I'm going to do is some splatters. I'm not even going to ink. See, we'll start with some gold. And then we'll do some black. And that's my splatters and splotches if the that doesn't count. Well, all right then. Another short, simple and sweet. We've got something with wheels, splashes or splotches. I've got the mud puddle or pothole or whatever that makes splashes and splotches, but I've also got my splatters and splashes and stuff for the from the splatters. A piece of jewelry, I've got this bracelet, any vegetable. I've got my Brussels sprouts, I've got my ledger paper in the back, and I stamped in non-black ink. I use chipped sapphire, although it looks very dark, but it's chipped sapphire. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP43. Click that bell on my notifications so that you can check out all of my videos. And leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful week. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.